1v1 this dude.
Yeah, man. 1v1 this dude. Get him, bro. Is it the same dude you was getting?
Yeah.
I bet. Come
I'm
on,
about to
bro.
cook him.
You gotta finally cook him, bro. Come on, bro.
See what's about to happen.
Yeah, bro. Come
I
on.
heard you were released on parole a year ago now.
Alright, yo, dribble, break his ankle. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Come on.
Bang.
Let's go.
Too easy. Too easy.
Nice.
Can y'all guard me?
Oh.
Let me know in the chat if y'all can guard me.
Nobody can guard this dude. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Hold on. Damn, too late. Damn, too late. Gosh.
Support and funding I gave wasn't because I wanted you to succeed. It was always for the children.
Does playing make-believe ease your conscience? The year you tell them the children were rescued after the accident.
We found new families here, or were sent abroad to study. Why do you care?
Oh, get him, bro. Come on, get him. Get him. Come on, bro.
You've seen the child, haven't you? I suggest you tell me where.
Dang.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, 1 second left.
This dude bugging. I think you're playing against
Nope.
a teenager. Or something. This dude right here. Bro, you doing good though. You smoking. Come on. Ooh, bro. And it was early. You still made it. Come on, bro. Let's go, bro.
Too easy. Ankle breaker. Ankle breaker. Ankle breaker. See that?
Ankles.
Ankles. Yeah. Too easy. Guard up. Guard up, little
Let's go,
girl.
bro. You can't even guard my brother. Can y'all guard him? Can y'all guard him? Yeah, 18.
What did you say?
Guard up. GG's.
Exactly.
Easy.
Look at that.
Easy. And I won.
Don't play with me. Come on. Guard my boy. Let's go.